Quaid Azam 37. This was a matter of conviction and a consequence of religious transformation or new religious fervor. The achievements of Muslim rulers were not like the British in India. After their initial success, they were being considerably more diplomatic than the Marshal maintaining their rule through useful political alliances, and more importantly through a suggestion of force rather than its actual use. Muslim rule in India, like those British Raj, or for that matter most governance in India, is more a matter of tolerant acceptance by the royal ruled and an independence, not always a consequence of giving to the forceful domination. Besides, from just one central authority in India is always more notional than real. It's vast and very, and it cannot be otherwise. Writing in 1881, the British civil Sir William Hunter described the Muslims as, in all respects, a race ruined under British rule. By overlooking that this observation applied more to the lower or South Bengal, most historians accepted this blanket verdict as final and then extended it as depicting the fate of Muslims in all of British India. Yet for other Muslims in Punjab, for example, the British rule had brought security for those in Bombay who were engaged in shipping and commerce. It brought wealth for some people in British service in the northwest provinces. It brought land grants as rewards. The only generalization possible being that gradually the British changed the criteria of success in Indian society from the military to commercial. Their rule became accept the British and gain material favors. Accept the British and then gain the material favors. And so many cooked red totally. Of course, there were Muslims as well who accepted the British and got the material favors. The British by the early 19th century, no doubt themselves rather awed by what they had achieved on the lines of their commercial exploitation of India. Consequently, they remained careful. They are carefully respectful of the Mughal culture of North India. Even though they had occupied Delhi, they worked to accommodate nominal supremacy of Shah Alam. Nonetheless, this of course had all to end, and it did slowly but relentlessly through the obdurate British assertiveness in refusing to recognize the Mughal emperor's rights. By 1857, the British had convinced themselves that the Mughals in Delhi had become an anomaly. Their existence now was a matter of indifference even to the Muslim population of the East India Company's territories. There was little in that to grieve for, as such is the fate of any enfeebled dynasty or ruler, nor just that of the later Mughals. It is uniformly the same in India or elsewhere, as then so now in the 21st century too. A continuing search for a new role, a new relevance, some responsibility, a position in life to which they were accustomed, made the Muslim community begin to reach outwards. It was this impulse that finally persuaded Muslims of India to resort to political activism, else they reckoned they would be rendered as even more irrelevant.